Hey, stop right there. If you are based in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to get something started, maybe you're looking for a side business, maybe looking to start a work from home business, then you are in the right place. Around this video, there's a link where I show you how to get something started as a beginner if you're based in Australia or New Zealand. And what that is selling simple, lightweight products on Amazon Australia. Now, here's what you will learn on that live training. I'm going to reveal 10 products that are selling right now. I'm also going to show you how you can find your own products to sell and build your own brand on Amazon as well, and how you can do it even if you've never done anything like this before, right? It's really aimed at beginners. I'm going to show you basically what people are typing into Amazon right now, what people are spending their money on, right? And I'm going to show you how you can sell those same products to those same people. Okay, so like I said, join me on this live presentation. You can ask anything you want. You can ask questions. There is a Q&A. Now, I've been in the industry now for many, many years, teaching people how to get something started from scratch. We have testimonials, rave customers, people loving what we do, who have also joined our free trainings online. And I would love to share that same experience with you. I would love to share how you can essentially get something started from scratch, basically building a business pretty much where you can run from anywhere. I've been in this beautiful place now for just over a month, running my Amazon business essentially from my laptop. And anyone can really do this. You don't have to be technical, you don't have to be smart. It really is just a matter of knowing what to do. What is the process? How do I find product ideas? How do I find suppliers? What are simple, lightweight, profitable products that I can sell and basically build my own business? So that's exactly what I plan on teaching you through our live trainings, all right? So click that link, join us on these free presentations. And basically, we're not selling anything on these presentations. There is nothing to buy. You do not need to bring your credit card. There's absolutely nothing to buy at all. And these presentations are really aimed at Australians and New Zealanders, all right? So I would love to see you on those live trainings. Give it a click and basically start your journey to building a better lifestyle, not only for yourself, but also for your family. I've been here now for, like I said, just over a month with my beautiful family and my 1-year-old son. We've been enjoying this every single day, this beautiful scenery, and it has been absolutely amazing. And like I said, while I'm over here, I'm actually working on my business, making money on my business while I'm here. So I don't have a boss, I don't have a 9-to-5, I don't have a traffic commute, right? I'm here working my own hours, being my own boss. So I'd love for basically to share the same journey with you. So see you on the training. Give the link around this video a click and hopefully see you there. All right, have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye for now. See you later.